Okay, just in time to clean up for the holidays, we have Rosie and her space vacuum. It's all 3D printed. Wax has two AA batteries that fit right under the vacuum. The wheels all have ratchets so that they'll move forward but not backward. That allows, when Rosie twerks, to move the vacuum forward and backward, for example, and have light up eyes as well. So there she is at work. And I thought, well, what would it look like if Rosie went faster? I was afraid it might look like some sort of robotic sex act or twerking, and I also wanted to try a little different color plastic on part of the Space Vac, and I also wanted to try adding steering. For example, on this Rosie, this drive ratchet leg is secured. She'll always just go straight forward. So on this version, I decided to make that wheel underneath Rosie posable, so you can decide on where it goes. So it's faster and steerable. These are just using the standard TT gear motors. This is the faster one, the 43 to run, and that was the 120 to run one that was slower. And I don't think it looks like a sex act. It looks like she's trying to get the job done in a hurry. So this was the last prototype. This was prototype 3. The one that you saw first was prototype 2. This was prototype 1, where I was still working out the cosmetics of the thing. There's some slight cosmetic differences between it. But the main difference was I needed to work out the stride, how far her leg was going to move, her body was going to tilt, and how I wanted to center up the tilting. So on this particular one, she leans back a lot further than she leans forward, and it looked a bit precarious, so that's why I changed those angles. You can see there she really gets back in, really puts her back into it like she's rowing a boat. So those are the 3 Rosie vacuuming, and of course you've seen the hoppers, I believe, before, because it all kind of started with the 2-legged hopper. And then I went on to make the 1-legged hopper. And again, these are all 3D printed and just in time to help clean up for the holidays.